Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread in my faith planner. This is the classic size Happy Planner faith layout. As you can tell, if you watched my dashboard plan with me video yesterday, I think, or the day before yesterday, this spread I actually decorated and got ready and was going to use it the week of the 20th through the 26th, but I ended up being in the hospital, so I didn't get to use it, so I recreated it in my dashboard layout. So yeah, and then for the current week, I did not do anything. I've been trying to get caught up on orders, new releases, and videos. So if you have not seen my self-care journal setup video, in that video I go over what landed me in the hospital and where I'm at currently and moving forward. So let's go ahead and get started. So this will be for the week of June 3rd through the 9th. Now I still plan on doing my write the word on my little inserts. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a sheet of fill paper here. This is just some that I printed at home. I did order some on Amazon. It's not supposed to be here until Wednesday the 5th. So I'll do a video and show you guys how I like that video whenever it comes in, as well as a video showing my new Notique cover that I treated myself to. So it's supposed to be here Wednesday as well. So be looking for those videos probably next Saturday. Or that video next Saturday. I'm going to be using Picture Perfect. So these are some new florals that are available in my shop now. 50% off at pleasantlyplanned.com. And the Cloud9 kit matches perfectly. So I'm going to use the Cloud9 kit. And then I have 3 different washi tapes that I'm going to try to incorporate into this spread as well. These 2 are Skinny Rainbow Washi from Amazon. There's a link in my description. And then this one was a Happy Planner one, I'm pretty sure. I just don't remember what collection it came from. So also going to be using my Word of the Year. I do have custom Word of the Year stickers you can order from my shop. And then I'm going to use Faith Quotes 3. So let's get started. I kind of want to do something similar to what I did on the last spread. So let's just kind of see what we can do. Maybe just use the small sheets and a mini sheet. I don't know. We'll see. We're playing it by ear here. So let's start with maybe this sticker. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to do this like similar to what I did in my dashboard. Okay guys, I'm sorry. I just had a camera malfunction again. I did this whole side of the spread and my camera shut off. So, or it was already shut off. Anyways, let's move to the other side. I'm trying a different way. I bought a new microphone. It's a whole situation over here. I bought a new microphone. It's like a wireless lapel microphone, but it wouldn't hook up to my iPad the correct way. So yada, yada, yada. Yeah, so I'm trying it this way. We'll see what happens. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but let's just see. So forgive me if I'm not in frame. I hope I don't mess up this whole video, but I normally connect to my Mac and I can see what I'm doing on my computer screen. But right now I'm paranoid because I can't see anything and the camera is like above me. So yeah, I can't see anything that's going on. Anyways, to be continued. Let's go to the other side and decorate it. Well, I was going to get some highlighters too while I was trying to repair my camera, but I didn't do that either, but it's okay. So now let's see, let's do some boxes. So we'll do this one and the light blue one, and then I'm going to take, nope, not the light blue one, this one and the dark blue one. So we'll do the dark blue one down here on Sunday. I hope you guys can see this. And then we'll do this one up here on Monday. And then I'm going to take the light blue and put it over here on Tuesday. Hopefully y'all can't hear my Jesus music screaming in the background either. So yeah, let's hope not. Now let's grab, I'm going to use the mini sticker sheets. And I want to do like a small, so my mini stickers are not mini at all by any by any means, but they're a lot more affordable, especially at the 50% off. You can get a mini sticker sheet for $1.25, and you can definitely decorate a whole spread with the mini stickers if you'd like. Now I'm gonna do this one over here. I'm gonna put this one on top. So that one's underneath, this one's on top. Over here we've got them underneath. It's okay. We're just gonna mixy matchy this week. And then I'm gonna take this one and cut it. Got sticker pieces everywhere. And we're gonna go right here with this one. Okay, and then we need to fill in with some washi. I gotta clean my scissors. They're supposed to be non-stick scissors, but they're sticky. They have lost their non-stickness. All right, so we'll put this over here. And then let's fill in with some washi tape and a quote. And then I do want to use my word of the year. So I'm going to use Grow and Grace. And we're going to put it in the Simple Joys and Gratitude section. I think I'm going to kind of overlap the florals there. I like the way the quotes look when they overlap the florals a little bit. Okay, so that's that. And then I want to do my word of the year somewhere in here as well. I think we're going to do it here. Trust. And then we're going to do it down here. Okay. All right, now the washi. So let's do this one. Let's go up top with it, since we did it at the bottom of the other one, the other side. Like that. And then let's go maybe like right here. I'm going to have to, before I can film my wellness and self-care videos, I'm going to have to figure out what's going on with this camera situation. Whoa, I don't want to do that. Let's go over here. And that's probably going to be all the blue that I do. All right, so I think that I am finished with this spread except for my insert. So let's go ahead and do, now this is what I write my, write the word scripture verses on. And I think I'm going to use this little corner sticker for the bottom corner here. No. Okay, and then we're going to do just a little bit of some washi. So let's take, where is it at? This one. And I think I'm just going to go all the way across the bottom and not do anything at the top. And then call this spread done. And work on my camera. And if I can't get it to work, I'm going to go back to my old ways, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I shouldn't have tried to do anything different anyways. I know better than that. Every time I try to do something different with sound or filming, it never works out. But it's okay. I get an A for effort, or an E for effort, right? All right, let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you like the content you're seeing here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram, and head over to my website at pleasantlyplanned.com to grab your stickers at 50% off. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.